Hey everyone, here's how to record your screen on a Mac. First, we need to open up Quicktime, which is an app that's already installed on your Mac. There are two ways to access it. You can access it from the Applications menu under the Other section by clicking on QuickTime Player, or you can use the Spotlight search by pressing Command Space and then typing in QuickTime Player. That'll open up this little window here, but we don't need that for now. Once you've got QuickTime open, you're going to head up to the top of your screen to your Mac menu bar and then press File and then select New Screen Recording. Now we can prepare our screen recording using this toolbar down here. We can choose between recording our entire screen, it'll capture everything that's on your screen, or just a selected portion, as the tooltip explains there. When you do a selected portion, you could adjust the size of that portion using these handles here. I'm going to switch back to the entire screen to record that. If you want to do a voiceover while you do a screen recording, click on the Options button here, and that'll open this menu. And here you can select a microphone. Right now I've got none selected, but I can pick one of these and that will capture my audio while I record my screen. At the moment, it's not possible to use QuickTime to record your screen and your camera at the same time. But stick around, and later in this video, I'll show you a different way that you can record your screen and camera at the same time using a Mac. When you're happy with your setup, there are two ways to start recording. The first is by clicking on the record button here, which will start the countdown. In this case, we've got that set to 5 seconds. Or when you hover away from the toolbar, you see you get this camera icon. Click that, and that will start the countdown as well. And you can see that happen here. If you want to cancel, just hover over the countdown and press cancel. When the countdown finishes, like it has just now, we're recording whatever happens on our screen. So if I head over here and move this folder around, we'll see that in the end result of the video. So anything we capture, whether it's an application or we're working on something, whatever we are wanting to record, that'll now end up in our video. To stop the recording, head up to your Mac menu bar again, and you'll see this little stop icon. Click that, and that will stop the recording and save the video as a file to your computer. So now we've recorded a video of our screen. What happens if we want to do something with it, like edit it or share it? You can use QuickTime's in-app editing tools. You can access them by heading up to the menu bar again, pressing edit, and then you can see some of the options that you have available there. Otherwise, you can open the file using another app like QuickTime or iMovie to do more advanced editing. To share your video, you can right-click on it, go to the share options, and then use a tool like AirDrop or send it to someone as a message. Otherwise, you can use an external file sharing service like Google Drive or Dropbox by uploading the video there and then sharing access to it to a teammate or friends or customers. The great thing about using QuickTime is that it's completely free and there's nothing to install. The downside is that if you want to do anything else to the video, like include your camera, edit it, or share it, then it requires additional steps or using additional apps. So if you want some of these more advanced features like including your camera, editing, and sharing efficiently with customers and colleagues, what do you use? I'll show you. First, go to Tella.tv and sign up for a free account. Tella is a free screen and camera recorder that runs completely in your web browser. That means you can do almost everything you can with QuickTime from the comfort of your favorite web browser. The Tella takes things further than QuickTime. You can record your screen and camera at the same time. You can customize your video in a bunch of different ways, and it's really easy to share it with anyone on the web using only a link. Let's make a video. Head up to the top left and press New Video. Now let's pick a screen. Great, now our screen is being shared, and you can see that we also have our camera stream coming through, meaning we're going to capture our screen and camera at the same time. Let's start recording. You'll get this countdown that tells you when the recording is about to begin. Once you're on air, you can switch over to wherever you need to do your demonstration and capture your screen and everything on it. When you're done recording, head back into Tella and press stop. Tella gives you lots of simple editing features like trimming, custom backgrounds, and layouts. When you're done, you can share your video by copying its link and sending that wherever you like over the internet, or you can download your video as an MP4 file and save that to your computer.